Hey there, health enthusiasts! Today I'm going to introduce you to a superfood that's been gaining a lot of attention lately. Moringa. Known as the miracle tree or drumstick tree, moringa is packed with incredible health benefits. But what makes it so special? Well, let's dive in. First off, did you know that moringa leaves are a powerhouse of nutrition? They're rich in vitamins A, C, and E, and they also contain calcium, potassium, and protein. In fact, gram for gram, moringa leaves have 7 times more vitamin C than oranges and 15 times more potassium than bananas. Impressive, right? But wait, there's more. Moringa is also a fantastic source of antioxidants. A study conducted by the University of Rajasthan in India found that moringa leaves contain a high amount of quercetin and chlorogenic acid, which help in fighting oxidative stress and inflammation. This means it can potentially reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Speaking of studies, let's look at some research done around the world. A research paper from the University of California. Davis highlights that moringa can help lower blood sugar levels, making it beneficial for people with diabetes. Meanwhile, the University of Ghana conducted a study showing that moringa's anti-inflammatory properties can help in managing arthritis symptoms. Isn't it amazing how one plant can have so many benefits? Now you might be wondering, how do you incorporate moringa into your diet? It's super simple. You can find moringa powder, capsules, or tea at most health stores. Add a teaspoon of moringa powder to your smoothies, sprinkle it on salads, or even mix it into your soups. The possibilities are endless. Before we wrap up, let's talk about some of the medicinal uses of moringa. Traditional medicine in various cultures has used moringa for centuries. It's believed to help with digestive issues, boost the immune system, and even improve skin health. The seeds of the moringa plant are also known for their water-purifying properties. Truly, moringa is a gift from nature. So, if you're looking to boost your health naturally, moringa might just be the superfood you've been searching for. Remember, always consult with your healthcare provider before adding any new supplement to your diet. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. Stay healthy, and see you next time.